Today I'm going to be putting some new grips on my bike. These grips are really worn. They've started peeling and they're losing their the texture on them quite a bit, so I'll be popping some new ones on there. I'm going to start by taking these off. I'll use my Toe Peak Ratchet Rocket. This is one of those situations where the Ratchet Rocket is really nice. It's snug there with my shifter. When you're ready to pop a bit out, you can use the little end of the chain breaker, push it out, catch that, and you can also pop all of these bits. They fit into the bottom. You can twist it that way like a regular screwdriver. That was the easy part. While my grips are off, this is a good time to inspect my bars, see if there's any damage. Sometimes if you over tighten these, it can actually cause a crack if you've got carbon bars. These are not carbon, but a little bit scratched up, but mine are looking pretty good. I'm just going to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on this. I'm a big fan of lock-on grips because they're so easy to get on and off, but I've decided I want to try something different this time just for an experiment. I'm going to be trying the ESI grips. My friend Rosa had these on her bike and I got to ride that around, and they do feel really comfortable. I'm excited to try them. I've heard really good things about the vibration dampening of these, which is why I decided to go with them. We ride so much that my hands, I was starting to get some inflamed tendons. Working on loosening my death grip a little bit and becoming more aware of that, but I thought, you know, I'll try something different. So we're going to give these a whirl. I was warned that these can be a challenge to put on, and I was like, I don't care, but now that they're here, I'm like, uh-oh. These are really lightweight grips. They come in 3 different sizes. They've got the, I think it's like Racer or something like that. That's a pretty low profile one. These are chunky, and then they've got extra chunky ones. So these are the medium size. All right, I'm gonna put the end caps in first. Oh, did I get the letters right side up?
Oh, that's important. Everyone will give you crap in the comments below if they're slightly off.
Is it?
That's a little off. The only thing worse than that is when your tires are not 180 degrees from your valve stem. Everyone will give you crap for the rest of your life because looks matter more than how much fun mountain biking is.
Of course. What have I done? No, this is easy to fix. I got this. We good?
We need a level or a protractor.
Oh, snap. Golden. Welcome to Tucson. So I watched the video that ESI put out how to put these on. So you put a little bit of rubbing alcohol in here, swish it around, get it wet, pour the excess across there, and then jam the things on.
The struggle is real. Come on, pull toward you. Oh.
Too far? I think that looks better. That was not too bad at all. Sweet. I'm just gonna pop the other one on and we'll be golden. Sweet, that was an easy one. If you're nervous to start working on your bike, new grips, that's a good one to start with for sure. One thing that I have read about these grips is that the silicone will kind of break down and squish down a little bit quicker than some grips, so these, from what I've read, depending on how much you ride, you may need to change these every 6 to 12 months, but riding as much as we do, it's probably something I'd have to replace once a year anyway. But I'm excited to try these out, and yeah, that was not too bad. Pretty good, easy install. This is a real test. They feel good. Sweet. Let's go for a ride.